welcome back to my channel. I'm Denny, and today I'm going to be putting together this look using my ALAMAR palette. So I chose to do a look that is not the typical look that we've been seeing everyone do with this palette. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. Completed look. I added some lashes and some eyeliner as well as some lipstick, and I finished the rest of my face. So this is the look that I came up with the ALAMAR palette. I ended up only using the colors Tropico, Coco-Taxi, Guantanamera, Malecon, and a little bit of La Costa. I omitted using any of the blue ones because I feel that a lot of people have already did looks using those two shades, and I kind of wanted to do something a little bit different. So I hope that you like this look that I came up with. If you did, go ahead and give me a like. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my Guns fam. And as always, from my house to yours, love ya.